Some days I can't get out of my bed. Some days I'm waking up on the wrong side of my head, and I got all these eyes on me, staring at me through my screen. Most nights I just can't wait to lie down. So tired from my thoughts, they keep on swirling around. Medication used to help me breathe. Now it feels like it's abusing me. 'Cause all of my thoughts take the air out of me, and I can't disagree with the lies that I think you believe. Tell me, what do you believe? And if there was a way to explore my brain, I want a way to get on a monorail train till I find the light in my mind. Am I running out of time? This candle is about to burn out, but I spend all of my time filling my head with the doubts that I would never see this through. No, I'll never be quite like you. Sometimes I take the long way home to fight these voices in my head that just don't feel like my own. And the music on my radio is the only reason I don't feel alone now. 'Cause all of my thoughts take the air out of me, and I can't disagree with the lies that I think you believe. Tell me, what do you believe? And if there was a way to explore my brain, I want a way to get on a monorail train till I find the light in my mind. Am I running out of time? Am I running out of I'm on a monorail, wanna go somewhere where I can see the light with my own eyes. I'm on a monorail, wanna go somewhere where I can see the light with my own eyes. I'm on a monorail, wanna go somewhere where I can see the light with my own Terrible things started happening when you walked away, so that's why I stay right here. 'Cause when all of my dreams seem so out of reach, you're crystal clear. You don't disappear, baby, no. So why would I unfollow you when you're the only thing unhallowed to me? And why would I try to hide the truth when I feel so empty without you? It's getting a little bit out of control.